So ayun naman ako, Sports Philippines versus Italy. Game number 4 ng Gilas Pilipinas Women. Alam ko na straight loss nila from China at dalawang team na sunod-sunod sa kanilang World Cup journey sa Warsaw, Poland. Pero game is game. Halika tingnan natin mga ka-sports ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
Makes good to determine what actually works for them, but it's just whoever cooks.
Right, has not yet got in a rhythm.
Spinner inside.
Ganarosa. Clarence. Same spot, same result.
But I think that
Another Ganarosa. So we'll make the pass. Clarence. Palmieri.
they'll have two each.
They missed Micholi, who was open.
See, there you go. After some food, now I've gotten some. She wanted to call, didn't get it. And call.
Italy 6. Right back at her. Just an unfortunate 35 left to go in.
Working well in the paint. She's got 8 points, Kyle.
Yeah, Jimmy's been open. Lost the handle, De La Rosa. Heavy play from Bernardino and Clarence.
So ayun na mga ka-sports, FIBA 3x3 World Cup 2026 sa Warsaw, Poland, Philippines versus Italy. Ikaw mga ka-sports, anong masasabi mo sa matchup nila ngayon? Comment your thoughts below at babasahin ko yan. Like, share, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mga ganitong uploads. Laban Pilipinas, puso, God bless us all. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!